Did you know that you can make $740 in one day just by clicking? If not, I will show you how you can do that today. This is now one of the simplest ways to make money online. So, how can you do it? I will teach you how you can earn from this. This is one of the best ways to make money online. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up and you can start making money by clicking on the internet. Make sure to keep watching the video because I will show you how to do it. You do not need any prior experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from, you'll be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, welcome to the channel. If you get some value out of this video, make sure to leave a like on it and consider subscribing with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. And don't forget that I will give you a special bonus at the end of this video, which will allow you to double or even triple your income from this method. So make sure to watch this video until the end to not miss any of my tips and bonuses in this video. Now let's start with the method. Step number 1 for you will be to go to google.com and you need to open up this website which will pay you just click online. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find the websites that you need because I have left all the links that you will need in this video down below in the description. So feel free to click on the links from the description. For now, I will just leave this website and we will come back to Google because we need Google for now. When you come over to Google, step number 1 for you will be to type in payout. Google will show you these results. I want you to click on the first result here. It will send you to this page. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create a free account. To create a free account, you need to click here. It will then send you to this page where you need to enter your email address, and after that, you need to confirm your email address. It will then take you to step 2, which is to create a password, your secret code, and your account name. After that, you need to click here. And it will take you to this page where you need to put your name, last name, and country. And when you finish, you just need to click on done. And this is how your dashboard will look like. Now you have your own account and you're ready to receive payments to it. Make sure to watch this video until the end because I will show you how to get paid to click online. Now let's make money. Step number 3 will be to go again to google.com. I want you to type PTC share. When you click enter, you'll be sent this page where you will see results for PTC share. I want you to click on the first result and you will be sent to this page. Oh yes, I want to show you that this is worth your time. So I want to show you payment proofs from this website. So scroll all the way up and you will find this button that says payment proofs. Click here and it will take us to this page where you can see people from all over the world receiving payments from this website every single minute and every single day. As you can see, they are paid through different payment options. As you can see, you can withdraw from this website's earnings as low as $0.1 and you can spend it immediately on whatever you want. Now, before I show you how you can sign up for this website and start making money, make sure to leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, I will give you some tips and bonuses on how you can increase your earnings. So make sure to keep watching the video until the end to not miss any of those tips. Now, let's make some money. On the dashboard, you can see previous top earners from this website. Also, you can see here the latest cash outs from this website. So you can see that people are using this website and they are making money online. When you scroll down below, as you can see, it has over 500,000 registered users. Also, you can see how much the members withdrew yesterday and how much they earned. You can scroll down more and you will find this. Earn money online in just a few minutes. Earning with us is simple. Once you register an account, There will be some cash ads already waiting for you. You will also have a welcome gift of 100 BAP in your account, which will enable you to receive some more cash ads. While you wait on those, make sure to earn yourself more BAP by reviewing a few of our advertisers' messages, which will allow you to receive even more cash ads. Now, to start earning money with this website, you need to create a free account here by clicking here. It will take you to this page right here. On this page, you need to create your username, password, confirm your password, your email address, agree to their terms by just clicking here, and then click on create account. After that, you will be sent to the dashboard, and this is how it looks like. On the left side, you will see your balance, and over it, you have a bunch of different categories. You can just go on and learn more about the website because you will be able to find some bonus points that you can claim and earn some starting money. But to earn from clicking, you need to come over to the top of the page and you need to click on earn and then click on view ads. Then you need to scroll down until you find the view ads category. There you will be able to just click on ads and you will be able to earn money from it. You can click here on view paid ad and earnings will start coming after you see the ads. This will not make you any significant money, but to earn even more with this website, you need to go to the top of the page and click earn and then click on click grade. Here you can see that people are getting paid much more per click than from the ads. You just need to click on one of these boxes and this website will show you ads again. But this time you will be paid from 1 cent up to even $10. Now there are more ways that you can make even more money out of this website. You can go here where you see the button with the name of your account. Click on this button. Here you will get the link which you can share with your friends or some people if you want. But I will show you one website where you can share this link and you can get hundreds of thousands of clicks from it. That website is called Trendly.com. This is to make money online forum where people are posting, recommending, and discussing ways to make money online. This website has millions of active users. So if you make a post on this website and include your link, you can imagine how much referrals you will get out of this website and how much money you will earn from them. That's how you'll get paid to click online. And that's for today's video. Here you can see my other videos that you can watch if you want. Make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.